How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. For this episode we have a new product review. H11 LEDs from the company Zethors. Let's put them on my RAV4. Let's see how bright they are and let's see how they look. Installation is really simple. I'm going to show you my RAV4 the installation on the fog lights. It requires H11s and we're going to do a little testing on these LEDs. We have some rubber seals for these LEDs, instruction manual, and the LEDs. They have a little fan on the back. They're not really big, so for tight spaces, especially on this RAV4 for the passenger side where you have the windshield washer reservoir, this is gonna be really good, because if you have a bulky LED, it's gonna fit, but it's gonna take you a little bit of time to put it on. This one is really small. Hopefully it's bright. We're gonna do that testing. We're gonna put a regular halogen bulb on one side and this one on the other. Let's see the difference. To get to the fog lights, you don't need much. You only need a 10mm socket and a removal tool to remove clips. You're gonna remove this 10mm right here. Right here inside, on this side, you have one clip. You don't even have to turn the tires. If you want to turn the tires so you get more access, that's fine, but you don't even have to do that. You just need to get to the clip. Just pull that clip, and you're gonna have another clip hiding right here on the back. That's the other clip. Once you do that, you can remove the cover, the wheel well cover, and that's all the access you need to get to the bulb. If you can see right there, that's the bulb. You just have to press underneath and remove the connector, and then once you see that bulb, twist it to the right and pull it out. We're gonna do the same with the LED. With the LED, the same process. Put it on, twist it, lock it in place. Connector has to be facing down. Once the connector is in place, just plug it back in until it clicks. Connection is done. Everything is done on this side. Now that the LED is in place on this side, I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see the difference between the halogen bulb and the new LED. Night and day, huh? Actually, those LEDs, they're really bright. I like them. Regular halogen bulb, not a lot of illumination. LED, super bright. I don't know if you can notice the difference between the LED and the halogen. You barely see light over there. Mainly you see the headlight, but on this side you can see everything is bright. If you can see the halogen on this side, I'm covering it with my hand. You can see there, really yellow right there, and over there super bright. So now I'm gonna do the same process on that side that we did on that side. And like I told you before, you have the windshield washer reservoir on this side, but if you have a big LED, you might have some trouble doing the connection, but it's not that bad. But a small LED or just regular bulb fits just perfect. Now let's put a new one. New LED. Just put it on and twist it. You can see it's in place. I have the plug. Plug it in. Make sure it clicks in place, and that's it. Installation is done. Lights on. And now we have the LEDs. Actually, I'm gonna leave these LEDs on the RAV4 for a couple of months. Let's see in a couple of months how they perform. So there you have it, guys. H11 LEDs from the company Zethors. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get those, because actually they're not bad. They're really bright. I'll leave it with that, guys. I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.